Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about how you are going to beautify the list groups, badges, and breadcrumbs provided by the Bootstrap. So let's start. So I'm opening my Visual Studio Editor and I'm opening my example list group badges.html file. So right now I already have the predefined markup, so I want to style in a beautiful way. How to do this one? So I'm starting with the list group. Very simple. We have a list of list items. So you can see I'm using the class name as a list group. So this is the base class I need to apply for the unordered list. Now for each and every li, I need to apply list group item. So this one I am going to apply for each and every list group item. Now I have this one. So this is a normal unordered list, sir. So let me save this one and how the look and feel will change. See, sir, how the look and feel is changed. This one is looking really nice. So this is the way I'm going to work with the list group. So sir, I have the list group. Sir, can I configure instead of list item as a anchor tag? Can I configure an anchor tag? Of course you can, sir. The same one I'm going to use list group. Now I'm going to configure list group item class for the same anchor tags. Now let me refresh. See, sir, it is also looking nice. So this is the way I can convert a normal unordered list into a beautiful left hand side menu or right hand side menu based on your requirement. Sir, can you tell me is there any contextual classes support is there? Yes, it is there, sir. So very simple, for your reference I am going to configure So observe list group item primary. Likewise you can have secondary. Likewise you can have success. All the contextual classes are possible. Danger, info, warning. Likewise all the contextual classes support is there. Warning is there, as well as light, as well as dark, what I am seeing here, I don't think so. So action, we can discuss about the action in the next example. So these are the things are possible. Let me refresh. See, sir, the beautiful list are displaying here. The first one is the primary, the second one is the secondary, success, a danger, info, warning, light, and dark. So likewise contextual classes support is also there. Based on your requirement you can use it, sir. The next one I'm going to talk about, sir, okay, I like the look but I don't like the borders when we want to display inside a container. How it is possible? So observe list group, flush concept is there. Now you can see for this one there is a border is displaying. Let me refresh. See, sir, the border is gone or not? The border is gone. How it is possible, sir? By using what is the concept, sir? Flush. List group flush. So in the same way, sir, I have a badges concept is there. In this one, sir, I want to display a Gmail link, Gmail inbox related thing, sir. In the Gmail inbox, we have a notification like 30 100 miles is there or 40 100 miles is there. How it is possible? Very simple. Class is there. Class equal to batch. In the same way, bg-primary. So let me show you that. Refresh. See sir, how beautiful it is. So right now I'm able to display. Now it looks more inline, means right now I am displaying some contextual information here or some dynamic information here, and it provides more visual clue for the customer or the your client or your user. So right now this one, how you are going to configure by using a simple class batch and by applying the background. We already discussed the background in the previous videos, so please refer that. BG means background, primary means yellow, light blue color. So this is the way we are going to configure. Sir, I want numbered list. How it is possible? List group hyphen numbered. So this is also possible, sir. So let me show you. I want some numbered list. It is possible. Don't think that only displaying the things. And in the same way, sir, I have vertical orientation is there. Is it possible to have horizontal? Yes, it is possible, guy. So very simple. List group hyphen horizontal. So let me show you that. Let me refresh. Now you can see all the items are displaying in what, sir? Horizontal way. So this is also possible. Next one, sir, I want to display the elements with the custom content. Sometimes I want to display the tweet way, sir. The tweets appearing in the Twitter app. I want the same look and feel. Yes, it is possible by using a simple action. List group item action. So likewise you can have any actions as you like. Let me refresh. List group item action. So sometimes we need to know which one is active now. So very simple, the active suffix is there, you can use it out. So see how beautiful it is laid out. So this is the way I am going to work with the list groups and badges. The next one is a very important one in the web application programming. In the web application, we need to display breadcrumbs. So what is exactly a breadcrumb? Means we need to display site navigation in our web page. We need to display site navigation in our web page. Suppose in the e-commerce website, if you are in the mobile display page, means suppose if you are seeing Apple iPhone latest ones, you need to display how you come to this web page. What is a hierarchy? The first one definitely will be the home page. Next one, mobile and accessories. So likewise we need to display the entire hierarchy. So how you are going to do this one, sir? Breadcrumbs. We call this one as a breadcrumbs. It is a very simple one. So let me show you how you are going to do breadcrumb as well as a breadcrumb hyphen item. Let me refresh. See, sir, how beautiful it is laid out. Sir, I don't like the slash look. I don't like the slash look. Means the separator. Breadcrumb item separator or divider. Sir, can I modify? Yes, you can modify. Let me show you that. So very simple. You are going to configure divider What is the divider we are going to use, sir? Arrow mark. So let me show you breadcrumb, and later on I'm going to configure breadcrumb item. So in this way I can easily configure. Let me refresh this one. So instead of slash, arrow will display. So this is the way I'm going to configure in our web page by using what are the predefined classes from the Bootstrap. List groups are possible, badges are possible, breadcrumbs are possible. To display a collection of links or a collection of data, we use the list group. To display some information, some real-time information about the current item, we are going to use a badge. To display the navigation hierarchy in the web page or website, for the current web page, we are going to use a breadcrumbs. I hope you understand, and please practice it, and thank you.